This is our TDS meter and the flow meter. This one is the flow meter. Here is the leaking protector sensor. Here there is a pink and white. We select these two and connect to this one. The pink to red. The black one connect to the white one. Here is a small device. It can press and then plug into the meter until you hear a voice cut. And now we install the adapter. And you see this is the adapter. And also there is a wiring program of this one. It is the blue one, blue 2, and the yellow 2. We take out and connect the yellow. There are two sides, the different sides. Connect. Use this one to fix it. Okay, on, and also the yellow ones. The same.
There are two connectors, one for flow meter, one for TDS. One pipe.
There is this is the water goes through in, out.
Put quick connector to both sides. Use pipe to connect flow meter with TDS sensor.
This is the TDS sensor. The water follow the arrow's direction. There is the arrow and also on the back side. This is out. This is in.
Connect the inlet side of flow meter to machine's outlet.
Then connect the outlet to water tap. Okay.
Plug to get power.
Okay, this is the flow rate and it is the TDS value.